In the public transport planning, the accessibility analysis is the most important analysis. You want to see how far your public transport network is going and how far can the people use your public transport to go to the places they want to go. We can try it in the line and I can show you how it's working. By starting the accessibility calculation, you see the area that you can put your isochrone with. I want to check if all my people in the city, all the population can reach the city center with the public transport. So this is the area where most of the nightlife is happening, most of the restaurants and bars are. I put my isochrone point here and I say, I want to calculate my isochrone so that the arrival of the people to this place on weekend, let's say Friday, about evening, like 7 o'clock, within, let's say, 60 minutes. How does it look like? So isochrone has been already calculated. What I can also do is to show some indicators. For example, the population that might use this public transport within 15, 30, 45, and 60 minutes. You see that the count that has been already calculated. So you can see that in this area, for example, people cannot achieve the city center within 60 minutes. Even if we change the transfer, you can see what happened if people use 3 times transfer, or what is if people want to only want to change once. So you can see that the changes has been affected. And then if I go to 45 minutes, because maybe 60 minutes is too long, you see that the people in this area are not able to catch the bus. We can go more to the detail and analyze the reason why it's the case by going to this line. It might be outbound. And if I check the timetable, I can see for the Friday, the last drive will be at 15:20. So that's the reason that the people cannot go on Friday evening to the city center. I might be able to improve my network by adding a trip on Friday from, let's say, 4 o'clock to 20 every, let's say, 10 minutes, and see if I can improve my network by that. So I have calculated a new plan. So you can see that my service has been increased on Friday, and we can check also the accessibility analysis. Yes, you see that the people can reach the city center within 45 minutes.